Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I'm showing you a summer scarf out of cotton this time. So this is a pretty net-like pattern, really easy, really light to wear. The V's are on here, which you can see, so that's the shape we're doing. And there's one hole beneath it too, so this is really super easy to do. We're gonna do just some trebles and chains. So if you wanna see how it goes, stay tuned. So I'm using this cotton yarn this time. It's called Lazy Hazy Summer Cotton from Rico Design. This is 49% cotton, 46% acrylic, and 5% polyester. 50 grams, 150 meters, or a 4mm hook, which is also what I'll use. And if you want this exact one, the color is number 8. So let us start with a magic ring. So we go around our index and middle finger, and I'll just go through with my hook and pull the yarn up. There we go, that's our ring, and now we can get started. So first we will do 4 chains. There we go. I'll move the spool out of the way, and now let's get to the trebles. So we will do them into the ring itself. So the first one is done, then comes a chain, and then another treble. Three chains, that's our tip. And now we just symmetrically go back, which means that we do a treble first. A chain, another treble. And I had 4 chains to start with, so instead of those, we will do a chain and another treble. We pull lightly. The beginning section is what I'm pulling to tighten the ring. And I started with 4 chains, then I did a treble, a chain, and another treble, 3 chains for the tip, treble, chain, treble, another chain, and treble. So on the back section, I did a treble, a chain, a treble, a chain, and another treble. So we just repeated the same thing 3 times. So now let's do the second round. So let's do 4 chains. And this is great about the scarf. It's always gonna start the same way. Turn, and now we have here the first spot, so super easy to see, directly after the treble of the last row. So that's where our V is going to go this time. So again, a V is a treble, a chain, and another treble. Then I skip the next V with a chain. And into the tip, I do a treble, chain, treble, so that's my second V. Again, 3 chains. We always do the tip this way, so super easy to remember. And then comes here another treble, chain, and treble. I'm again at the tip, so this is here. The 2 V's with the 3 chains in between are all between the 3 chains of the last row. So let's continue with a chain. Skip the V in the bottom, and after that we go through, and that's actually our 4 chains that we started with. So treble, chain, and treble again, a complete V structure. The beginning and end are always the same, so instead of the 4 chains, I just do a chain and the treble. So we always end with a chain and treble, and right before that we have a V, so this treble, chain, treble is what we always repeat at the end. And that's our second round. So you see how pretty this looks already, and I have to say I'm definitely in love with the colors. I love the blue with just a tiny bit of pink and yellow in here. I think it looks really soft and pretty. So you see how simple this is and how nice the triangle looks? Always start with 4 chains and end with a chain and treble. So I'll show you one more round, but I'll say it right away, there will be no surprises this time. Four chains to turn with, then the first V right next to them. Skip with a chain, and then comes the next spot around the chain of the last round. That's where we always go through. Then another chain after the V, and then we get to the tip. So again, treble, chain, treble. Three chains, and then again a V structure. And you see that this is all the tip. Then after that we have the chain to skip the V of the last round. And then again, treble, chain, treble on the side. That's the V, chain, and here on the bottom, a treble, chain, and treble again. And of course, end with a chain and treble, as always. So it's super simple, it looks really great, it's really light as well, and the way we are working this yields this lightness. So between the V's, or actually below them, are the holes between or in the middle of the V as well. This way we continue, so this develops and gets a really nice size. It stays in the lovely triangle shape as well, so this is gonna keep repeating itself just in a bigger manner. And yeah, the results are great. So here I am after a while. So you see here 2 different holes that we have in between multiple V's and within each of them. The colors are looking lovely and the shape as well. So I'll just finish this now so that I can show you the entire complete scarf that we have. So I'm almost at the end of the second spool. I already pulled this out when I finished and tightened it a bit. So this is the whole scarf, and I measured so that I can also tell you how much you actually get from 2 almost complete spools. The longest side has about 140 centimeters of length. So if you want it a bit longer or bigger, you can just take a 3rd spool to get that. But here's the structure, the V's in here, and the different holes that we get within each of the V's. So that's the first type, the smaller hole, so each V gets 1. And in between a couple of them, we get the little bit bigger holes that also look great and contribute to the whole structure and look. So this is a great project, super simple as you can see. What I want to try to do is show you what it would look like when you wear it. So of course, I do have a little bit of weaving in to do left, so the end and the beginning. So yeah, those you can actually see in here. Also, I do have a little bit to weave in where I change the spools. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, so feel free to shoot a thumbs up if you did. You can also subscribe to our channel if you'd like to stay updated with other projects that we do. And all in all, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!